I'm really bored of this star puppet. It's not really that good. Should I find some other fidgets, or should I just trade this? I'll trade this. Oh look, there's a rich girl. Let's trade. Oh, hi, can I trade with you?
Yeah.
What will you offer for this puppet?
Ew, I don't want that puppet. I'm looking for a dimple.
Bro. Fine. Ugh. Should I go find some fidgets? Yeah, let's go find some fidgets. I can't find any fidgets. Oh, someone left a puppet. Guess we should add this. But let's add it in my cart. Let's look for more fidgets. Oh my gosh. A dimple fidget spinner? Let's put it on thing. Okay. I see a girl with a dimple. Oh my gosh, that girl's have my dream fidget. Hey, can I offer? Sure. What would you like? I would add this dimple for that puppet and that fidget spinner. I'm not really sure if I'm overpaying, but I'm just gonna do it because I want some of the fidgets. So here you go. Yay! I got a dimple. Yay! I got my dream fidget. Yay! Hey, can I offer for you?
Oh my gosh, you have a